Alright. Yeah. Today I will start to finish this level. And after that I will add a few functionalities and a bit adjustment to the level creator. Yeah, so let's start with this one. CC. Dark, light, light, dark. Alright. Dark. And this one. C. Light. 3 dark. Alright, 2 light. This one. Three dark. The good thing is with this level creator is that you already can see which color the blocks have, and it's easier to bug fix something. W, CC, double, no, this one. Well, is it all dark? Oh, light, but one dark. Alright. Has to be this way. This way, and this is just dark. Next row. Player. Well, I feel like I forgot a row. Dark, light, light. It's so easy to exchange blocks now. So just let's keep going. Player. 3 of this one, white, white. And this light switch. Light switch is this one. Alright, and next level. Alright, so we have this dog level back. I mean, not back, it actually never was away, but we just recreated here. Okay, I just wondered, but this line looks very large, but it's actually the same in each row. So this is how a level looks like. I've created all at the level 9 already. And the thing is what I've added yesterday, that we can do the levels, at least in the vertical way, unlimited. So things I want to change is most of it has to do with UI, because I just figured out so this will be very interesting. I want that rather than from here to here to here to here, when I press tab, I want to tab to the next line. But I have no clue how to do that. Right back. I just need to. Oh, well, my overlay. I accidentally stopped my overlay. Start it again. All right, and hello. Yeah, the idea was that from this one, oh, all right, I have to set it, but I think it's actually possible. So what we need to do is, I mean, simple as that, it's that we just say this one first, and we just say change UI neighbor. All right. And here we just call new neighbor in form of a node. And here we just say line dot input, no focus, neighbor left equals new neighbor. I mean, this is the British way, right? And this is the American way to write it just with an O, I think. And when we add a new line, a new neighbor.get node line, and the same thing we have to do with this one. We also say equals dot neighbor right equals line. So when we start this now, And I understand it right, wrong. This one. Never have a value of type line added on a base object of type nil. Huh? Alright. Why it is saying that? Invalid assignment of property or key neighbor left. Hmm. I have to call it with set. Oh, alright. This is called. Well, maybe I just should check it a bit better. It's focus neighbor left. This is focus neighbor, right? Okay, restart. Let's see. Node cannot be assigned to array of type node path. Ah. Huh? Well, what I'm doing wrong? I mean, how can I get this here? What are possible ways to create node paths? Alright, I have to do it a bit differently. And that's by... So I just have to say... Get parent dot get child get index -1 dot how I can got this as the pass. How I can create a node pass from this one. Um, hmm, um, current neighbor equals this one. How is it possible from node pass? How I can create a node pass from this? Or a string. I mean, I need just one of this. Um, It's true by default on the CPP side. Right. How to got this one as a node pass? Let's see, the children of the scene root are instantiated but don't have parent-child connection. Dude, oh, the pattern I use for node getting is this will work? Let's try it. Nope. Wait, get child on a null value? Cannot call method get child on a null value. Get parents? No, get parent. Get parent is right. Add line, connect current line, move child, add child. This is not necessary anymore, and this also. Here we just say get parent dot get child, get index, neighbor left will be this one -1. But get parent will lead to nothing? I don't believe that. Oh. Of course it will lead to nothing because we don't add it as a child yet. But we have to do it actually here. I just had the wrong order. So this way, wait. Was value of type line added on a base object of type line. Wait. with value of type line added. Yeah, that was actually the idea. Where's current neighbor? This one. Seems to be okay. Huh? Every node has like the pass call. Where do I have node? Get path will be maybe. Let's try. So you have type node pass on a base object of type line added. Alright, I mean, at least the first line we already did. Still jumping here. Focus 2 if the user press tab. Oh, next. So which node it should give focus to if the user pressed the left arrow on the keyboard. Alright. So left is previous. Shift tab. And this one is next. Alright, let's try. I write something wrong. Focus next. Let's see. All right, we jump directly to the next line. Wait. Why for the first line it's doing this, that nothing will happen here. But I think that there shouldn't be a line. So the level creator shouldn't have a line already. So we start the scene. Right, tab is working and shift tab is also working. All right, perfect. It's actually a little thing what should happen. The next thing is when I was creating levels, what else I want to change? The level overview is fine. Um, all right. Next thing. Actually, I wanted to have a function to check if the level is working or not. And the best thing would be that you cannot just only check if the level is working, that you can check where the level is not working when it's not working, where it's stuck, on which coordinate. Oh, and I also need to create the most important thing of the level creator. Right now, the level creator is just creating datas, but the datas can't be used to create levels from it yet. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. The 1 until 9 I already did. The next thing what we need to do is that the level datas itself this one, will not store a packed scene. This will lead with level overview that we can't got called for ein level stats. A child, new level slot. A new level slot is stores also level data. And level stats is a dictionary, which we call, I just save file.level stats. And when I click on a level overview button, oh here, set level slots data, all right. If it's incomplete, then do this, otherwise do this. This function will start the level. Change scene to level data.level scene. This is the one to work. There we need a new function, but I'm thinking right now where we'll do it. Will we do it in global data? Is that the call? Global data dot create load level, and then we send over no, we'll just call this one. This one we don't need. We just call with the left click on it. We call load level from global data. And what we're gonna do now is create function. This function will create a level and create a level layout up to the level data level layout, and returns the level scene. No, not return level data. We'll return a level scene. Will be a scene. All right. Okay, we return a level structure. It's fine. New level. So variable new level level. I try to keep it as short as possible. Level, and we say variable level is a level structure equals level structure dot new. Then we say okay, we need to get the data. Level layout equals current level dot level layout dot split backslash n. Then we say all right. Next thing is we have to say now for row in level layout for row index in level layout dot size for letter in level layout row index. Now we have to convert them to place them actually on the right place. All right, this is a level structure. And this level structure one thing, why the camera is here? Why it's not here? Form switch, delete, key, delete, falling, delete, this one, delete, delete, player, delete. This is all we need, but even that, all right, so we have an empty map, which looks kinda weird, to be honest, because the view is a bit small. So we start right here with adding things. And this also. This tile map, where's the tile map? Here. Alright, now everything has a normal positioning. Safe. Except the camera, it's very weird. What is the camera size? 1.4 zoom? 1.4 is a weird zoom. But I think the problem is when we don't zoom, then everything will be very small. But it's fine. We will fix it in another way. The only important things um 'Which size I want the camera? Uh, 640. Wait. $640 by $360. All right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I built the levels a bit bigger. Hello, Wise Ham. Welcome. Thanks for following in YouTube. Thank you very much. Welcome, welcome. I'm creating a level creator for a game of what I'm creating. And yeah, the level creator looks kind of like this, but I messed up a bit with the camera view right now. How are you doing? I need this size of the view. And here you can just write text. And it will show you how it looks like with the for the level, what you're creating. I'm very well, thanks for asking. That's the current lookalike. It's a puzzle game which I was creating for a game jam. Yes. Right now I'm on to creating a function to use the levels that are created. Here I create a function which will create the levels from the text to be real levels. That I'm on to right now. This I'm doing here. I just figured out that where's level 10,000 here? That everything around the camera and stuff is very messed up. I mean, it has to hurry. New York in a few weeks. Competing in what? In a game jam? In a game jam you meet other peoples? In a real life game jam? Yes, game jam, nice. LAN event, how many people are there? I wish you good luck with that. Which engine do you use? So let's do it. I mean, it's okay this way then. Like 40, 50 people. Nice. Sounds very, very nice. So what we're gonna do now is creating this function which will create make from letters real blocks. Love 2D is some Unity trying to get into Godot. Alright, I mean, I really like Godot. That's what I can say for my part. I mean, it's actually the first engine I was using. Since a year now. And this is my like third game. My first game is a farming RPG. I'm still working on it. Almost daily. There's a link in the description where you can see it on Steam. And the other game is like a ninja runner game. It was also a game jam, but I wasn't good at this one. It was just like place number 100 something of 150 people, but with this game we got place number 5 of 150. I have to say, Godot is very simple. As I mean, I don't have any coding background, so it was very simple for me to get into coding. We need all the blocks as W. So level bodies we need this one. Key also, but not yet. I mean, we didn't use keys yet. This is a form switch. This is a form switch. Oh, this is particle, never mind. Form switch. Falling wall block. This is this one. Collectible object. I need to order them later a bit better. Maybe I'll order them in the dictionary. Right now I'm working on a wave-based RPG game and adding projectile particles. Working with particles is fun. I really like it. This game makes me like them. I already was using them in my farming RPG for weather, for rain. Oh, actually in my farming RPG for rain and for trees. They have like falling leaves. Create collectible block. I think for every possible block, I will create a own function to keep everything as clean as possible. Create. I'll not call them block. Create wall. Create falling wall. Create switch. I chop trees into 2 segments and use the synth function to make the top part wave to create the illusion the leaves are waving in the wind. Oh, I also have something like this. Wait, I could show you a bit around my farming RPG. This one. But I didn't chop them in 2 segments because the part with the leaves on every tree has a bit different size. And that means I would need how's it called? A shader for almost every kind of tree. Yeah, this game is a bit bigger. Yeah, you have like a menu, you can create a new game, which I always do when I debug something. That's a lookalike of the game. As you can see here, here's the wind particle also. And here these trees are losing like leaves. And needle trees doesn't lose these things. But I think even with the shaking animation on the whole tree, it's very fine. Stardew Valley vibes. Yeah, that's the most things that's what the most people say when they see this game. And some people even say it's Habbo vibes. Yeah, I was creating a lot of items already. There are like 300 items you have in this game. You can plant different plants. I mean, for sure you have to take care of your garden. You can plant like small plants. You can plant like medium-sized plants. Oh no, this is a tree actually. This is one of the biggest trees. The trees are cool. It's got a unique aesthetics. Thank you. This should be bushes. I mean, the growing animation I speeded up for debugging reason. But I think this is also a tree. Should have bushes also. This one, for example. And as you can see here, the grid where you can place them is also changing. The grid system is cool. How do you make it larger and snap into place with the larger adjustments? Oh, you notice it. Nice. Yeah, this was a bit of work. Actually, it was... I just create like 3 different... I just did adjustments in the snapping function of the sizes. That's it. I just changed a few numbers. Oh yeah, and this is... You can imagine this is like a Pokédex, where you can collect all the items possible in this game. And it also has a count how many you already got from that. And here are a few achievements you can achieve in this game. I mean, as you can see here, this one is not perfectly lined up with the grid yet. These are the few things I still need to change before I'll release this pre-alpha game. What do you mean is unique? I mean, actually, there's not only this planting function, you can also... I mean, first of all, your house looks like kind of like this one, and you're gonna be happy to have this mattress to sleep on. Later on, you can decorate it with stuff, you can repair this house. That is a great addition to a farming game. Type menu showing everything that was collected. Yeah, I also like it. As I like, and I also like this open world vibe, as you can go into this house and you didn't change the scene. You are right inside the house in this world. This is something, and when you are behind the house, it will like, you have this lighter tone. But when you are inside, the roof is just disappearing. You can farm the trash also. From this trash, you got like this stuff. And in your book, you can see, oh, you already got one sheet metal, you got already one gear. And I think people like statistics. I mean, I like statistics. This house is a bit empty. I still need to do interior. Yes, here's a flower shop. Is there a storyline? Actually, not there's no storyline yet. I mean, I created a small storyline. Here's like a restaurant, graphic bug up here. And there's kind of a storyline, but it's still like a bit buggy. The story behind this one is that the player was running away from a huge natural disaster, which was happening in his own home. And he was running. I mean, first he was like driving away from there, and then his fuel got empty, and then he have to keep running, and then he lands on this farmhouse, and the major will just pick you up, and then the storyline where the player is playing starts to have a new life in this village. But I was thinking about to keep it as less storyline as possible to keep the player the freedom like you have in Minecraft, for example. One of the last things I was adding to the game was like an automation function where you can creating like factory like chains, production chains. So there's this. So you have chests, for example. You have what could I show? What is short? Seed extractor. I'll take some pepper bells. And we will take some pipes for sure. And this one, distributor. And we will take a seed extractor. All right. So now we can, if you want, create like a pipe system. I mean, the sprite is still a bit buggy, but you have this one. The connection is also not looks not properly yet. And when you put stuff inside, wait, you have to say input is on the left side and output is down. So when you put, for example, pepper bells here, you can see that they are landing here. And when I proceed it properly, they're landing here in your chest system. Hello, possible panda, welcome. A new person appears. How long have you been working on this game? I'm the code inspector. I'm here for a code quality check. I won't show code as long as you are here. Let's see the code. I'm curious. No, actually, my code is not that clean as you. And I'm working on this game for already a year now. Oh, well. Wait. Input? Alright, something broke. It's not updating the inventories properly. It should be empty. I messed something up. Looks great for a year. Thank you. There's also like a devlog series on my channel where I almost tell every day what I've done. So here the items are pumping in. 5, 7, 5. And as you can see here, the seeds landing here. You can put things inside here. They'll go pumped inside this one. And this way you can have a whole factory. What's the main idea of the game? Actually, the main idea was a farming RPG. Well, there's a bug happening. And I still have to polish a lot. To farm, it's an open world game that gives you a lot of freedom. I would compare to Stardew Valley. Yeah, most people would like. It looks like Stardew, but with automation. Yes. I mean, you also can go fishing, you also can go mining, but you can't go fighting with tested entities. You can interact with the villager. And there are a few things I want to add more, but this later. Maybe in the end of this month and the start of next month. But I try to... the next things what I want to do is to get rid of all possible bugs. That's epic, dude. I gotta go, but I'm stopped. And I hope I can find another stream soon. I'm here every day. At the same time, if you come by, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. And thanks for chatting. I would say it's comparable to Stardew Valley, but it definitely has its own feel. I take it as a compliment. Thank you very much. And thanks for following. Thank you very much. It helps me a lot. Have a great day, possible panda. Yeah, but I stopped here at this game to create a few functions because this game will be like a side project. This will be uploaded to Android Play Store as it's a mini game. By comparable, I just mean the game is similar. Yes. I would also say it. I mean, I've never played Stardew Valley myself. I've watched just a few shorts of it, but I've never played it. So I actually do not know the gameplay a lot of Stardew Valley. I just know it's a farming RPG. And I know that you got your farm from your grandpa and have to take care of it. That's it, what I know. And I also know that you have million of items there. A really, really big palette of different things you can got. All right, create collectible. New collectible equals collectible object dot instantiate this one. So back to the puzzle game. Yes. I create the creator so that we can create levels of that. And when this is done, after that, I will keep working on my farming RPG. Get back to this after 1 month of advent of code. Or will you do debugging? No, not yet. Debugging, I will do. I think this will be something what I will do between the holidays. So this I'll finish like tomorrow, and after that, I'll start to debug everything. Every possible thing I can find. And I think I have to rewrite a lot of code again, but this is very, very fine. The most of the code I already rewrite twice or 3 times because I'm still in the learning process of game dev. So we need to. Are you in uni or out? I'm already 27 years old. I'm out for like 8 years now. Wait, I started when I was 17 and I was out when I was 20. Or 19? 19, no, 20. So I'm already out for 7 years. I was studying media design, graphic design. So actually my job doesn't have much to do with game dev or coding. All right. So here we get current letter will be a string. This part we will actually get everywhere. I'm thinking if that makes sense. I think not. Or it makes sense, but not in wall. I might study in Germany. I still do not know. I'm from Germany. Maybe it can hear from my English accent. If you go study there, where? Somehow I want to store the letter somewhere. Oh, really? Yes, really. I have a German passport, so I thought of it. Where are you from? You talk about that you have a German passport, that you're not from there? There's some great schools. Like, I mean, you mean like universities, right? Yes. New collectible. I just need to go into the scene of collectibles. This is the most complex object here. I mean, we have at least 2 of this one. Like by school, I mean university. All right. And if you go study there, which city? I mean, which university in Germany is well known? I actually do not know. Even I'm from there. Alright, new if current letter equals. Well, I need to open up this part. Maybe Munich. Oh, Munich. Munich is an expensive city, but I think it's nice. I mean, yeah, Munich, yes. I mean, at least the rentals. How the living is there, I do not know. Just take a picture of this part here and paste it somewhere on my screen that I know which block is what. Just a second. I'll see. The chat soon again. All right, now. Okay, so if it's global data, so we have C, C, and then we have N, and a big N, but we do also Aleph. All right. So if it's C, then we have to say, well, we have to go into this again. Collectible particle, where's collectible block? Here. Is game dev your full-time job? No, it's just a hobby. My full-time job is still graphic design, media design, website, web shops, everything around that. So we have to set current state. New collectible dot current state equals export enum. Right. I know some HTML. I take an AP class about it. Yes, I mean, for me, it was a part of my study to create a website, but I do not know much about that anymore. And it's very nice to create our own website. New collectible dot current state. No, not current state. Dot gravitation bool equals false. For this big N and also for here. Right, I think this is it. And here at the end, we have to return we need the current letter's position. So rather than current letter, we also need where is it? Where's this function? Here. We need row index and we also need as a vector tool. This one. And what we need to do now we need to create collectible if my formula is the game Jamestown Plus. No, I'm not. Jamestown Plus. Wait, what's happening? I hear something before. Alright. I mean, I'm not sure what was that. I just checked Jamestown Plus now. Game. Do you mean this one? That looks cool. I mean, I like the, how's it called? Isometrical look-alike. And the graphic is also very nice. I like the color palette and the art. "32 pixels in the height. Just like me. 32 pixels by 32 pixels. These rings give me so Sonic vibes. What the goal of this? I mean, you can play it together. That's great. Have like multiplayer. Oh, it's 4 players. Is it like a DLC? My pixel art is so bad. I do 16 by 16. Actually, I think 16 by 16 is harder than 32 by 32. This before is a Nintendo game. Did you already have like a Steam page or something? Not Steam page. An itch.io page? Where people can check out your games? For letter index in this one dot length. So what we send over if level layout row index letter index. Ah, yes, you. I haven't published any games yet or put any on itch because I do not develop too often. It's more of a hobby for me too. Ah, alright, okay. But it's a nice hobby. I really like it. C, C, N, N. Then we will call this function return new collectible, and we will return a collectible item. And what we're gonna do here now is level dot get child. I have to not get child, get node. I just have to check where's this too high level collectible group. Global data collectible group dot add child. This one, and we will send over okay, actually we can always do like variable current letter equals this one, variable current letter index equals vector 2, and then we say row index. No, x is not row index, x is letter index, and y is row index. So we will send. Actually, we don't need to send this over anymore. I changed my idea. Create collectible, and we say current letter. Send current letter over. But we have to make it even a bit different. Well, sorry. Current letter position. We say we'll take this one and we say new collectible dot this one multiplied by 16. And then we add the child. And I want to try it with level 1. Let's see. Alright. Wait, what was the error? What, 410 hours? Great. Let's see. Property or key level data with value of type dictionary and a base object of type texture, right? Yeah, level data is not existing anymore. Wait. Invalid assignment of property or key level data with value of type dictionary on a base object of type texture, right? Okay, I'm really sorry for the music in the background. Yeah, this is the problem. This function will create a texture rect for every level in the folder level. Um, we will say variable level group equals this one, and then we just say this one here and this one here to just make it a bit shorter. Level slot.tscn, alright. Level data is global data.level stats.get I. Where do I got level stats from? Where do I create level stats? Here. Load the level data from the save file, or if they are not included, add them to the level array. Hello, Kati Vo. Welcome. How are you doing? I have to, I have to delete the Godot save state folder. Happy holidays. You also. Thank you very much. With value of type dictionary on a base object of type texture rect. So here we don't have level slot. Where's level slot? But we have level data. Level data is existing. So, alright, so let's do it a bit different. Where do I got the error? Sorry, I just have to try it again. Play. Level was value of type dictionary on a key level data with value of type dictionary. But it's not a dictionary. It's level data, and level data is not a dictionary. Let me think. For ein global data.level stats. I need to print I to see what happens. One until 10. What is wrong? 1 until 10. Start the game again. Before I press start, I'll just check the global data. As level starts. Well, what I can't see here, the X 2014. Okay, it's actually always the same. Why I can't got player save? Will it work now? Start now? Alright, oh, okay, it was working. A child on a null value, alright. Hello, Woofy. Hello. Add child on. Oh, because I didn't instantiate it. All right. I have to think because right now it's level overview. I can't doing this one. All right, this way, copy, paste, and we will add this part to change scene to packed level. Should be packed scene, but is level structure. And how was it? Packed scene dot pack level dot pack level. And then we say pack level. And this one will copy over to here to keep a bit structure. This one, start. Let's see. Start the game again. A child on a null value. Okay, it's not existing yet. We didn't change the scene. We didn't change the scene. Tree dot create frame physics frame. It was already there. Maybe 2 physics frames. I mean, there's no children here. Okay, it doesn't see this one as this scene. Alright, I know what I'm doing wrong. Where's the level structure? Level, let's take this one. Dot instantiate. I think now it would work, even without this await. Let's see. Yes, it is working. I want to know how many times this happening. Because if this is happening, then there's just a mistake somewhere else in the code. Well, let's see if there are children. Play level 1. No, there are no children. There are no children. Okay, let's print this one. Static body and 9, 7, 10, 7, 11, 7. Okay, it's not properly working here. I'll try this one. So 144 and 112 should be somewhere here. So let's see. And actually, I don't have to see anything. There's nothing here. There's no children here. What I'm doing wrong? This one? Start now? I think maybe the order was just wrong. No, there's no collectible group. Is it because I don't set the parent as owner? Add new child and then say set owner and the owner is level? Is that the problem? That after the switch we don't take them with us because they are not owned? Wait, what? Oh. Wait. I think it's 0011. I think in this case I have to use int rather than strings. But it seems like it's working now. Yes, kind of, I guess. The problem is actually here. Okay, it's working. The problem is just that there's no collision where they can land on, so we will create walls now. Maybe I should stop it to save a bit. If so now falling walls and we'll do walls first. this one. And if equals what is wall? A big W, right? It's a very big W. This one, Aleph. Create falling wall. And here I have to say continue. And also for falling wall, also the I'll copy this part from there to here. And to here. To here. Alright. So we do create wall first now. And this is actually a bit easier because we just have this tile map. And there we have to say map layer dot, how was it? Tile map layer set tile or something. Set cell. Set cell. Alright, we have coordinates, source ID, atlas chord, and that's it. So coordinates is current letter position. Source ID is this one. This we can see here is 0, 0, 0. 0. And this one. It returns void. Nope, returns. This falling wall block has to be very similar to this one we don't need, by the way. And here we just say this one, and then we say equals current letter position multiplied by 32 this way. And we should have walls and falling walls now. Let's see. Nay, one. Alright, the level is created properly. Like it should be, we just have to put it in the middle, but the camera thing we do later. Next thing. Create falling wall and creating switches now will be exactly the same way like this one. I think I'll do it this way. Then I'll do this 3 steps here. And rather than I'll do this one. Do this one. And I'll do this one and say this one and this one. And this part I'll also add here. And here. And this one, and delete this too. So we save a few more lines. And here, continue. If it's a P, we have to do the exact same thing with the player. 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 New player dot position equals current letter position multiplied by 32. Return new player. This one. Current letter position not declared in the current scope. Alright, this one next. Switch. There we also need the current letter. So what we're gonna do now is if here we have the switch, we have F and F, F and F. And we just because it returns white. Alright. Return for okay, if equals F equals f, elif equals f, then we have to do what? Where's the switch? Here. We have switch type 0 and 1. Well, form switch. Switch type equals 0. Small was white, right? Yeah. Big was this one, so 1. Switch type equals 0. And to this one, this one, this one. Alright. And I think then we have it. Waltz, player, this one, start. Row scene. The whole game. Wait, switch type is not existing. Switch type is existing. Invalid assignment of property key switch type with value of type int on a base object of type area 2D. Nine? Nope. This is not what should happen here. Oh. Dot has so let's see. All right. Well, the switch is not switching the player. Was it the wrong one? Let me see. Was it the wrong one, or is there something not working in the mechanics? Oh, it's the wrong one. So this is dark and this is light. All right. But there's nothing happen. There's nothing happen. So when we press R, actually we just need to call this again. Global data.load level. Wait, why the count is 92? Why the count is not 20? Where the count is from? Um, we'll add delete a key from the key count. Okay. This function will increase the score and update the label. That's fine. But how we know what is current score? Where do we set current score? Oh, what is score goal? Score goal equals get parent dot get node collectible group dot get child count. Oh, all right. There's the problem. That we always add them to collectible group. This is wrong. Group. Okay, this one will be collectible group. Huh? Yeah. This one is okay. This one is falling walls group. And here we just what we'll add here. Switch group. Node. Switch group. Player will no group. Player should be directly. P is this one. Here we just say so start. No, start the whole game. All right. This I have to do a bit different. Load level. Um, I think this way. Let's try. Okay, the moment I finish a level, I will have problems. Okay, well, when everything is still working the same way, this is fine. Just here I messed up with the level layout. Level 3, I messed it up. Has to be this way, save. Invalid access to property or key level scene. Try again. There's no level scene anymore. I already deleted. Start again. All right. This is also wrong. Alright. So change this level a bit. Okay, now the camera is a bit weird. So we'll go to this one. It has kinda be something like this. Let's try. See, I got an error again. Level data. Where starts? Where do I create starts? If file exists, then we say level starts equals save files dot level starts. If it's not existing, we'll create it. For data and resource group dot load all. This fine. So where's the problem? Level was value of type dictionary on a base object of type. What is level stats? I don't see level stats. What's happening? Because of this print, I can't even do it anymore. Why is this happen? Maybe I need to wait a little bit. Nope. I need to print it. Level stats is a dictionary. This is right. This is level stats, which looks fine to me. Margin container, scroll container, margin container, grid container. For level 10, it is not possible. For level 10, it's not possible. Why for level 10? What's wrong with level 10? I mean, the thing is, wait, when I do the level data for level 10, is it working then? I mean, at least I will do this. No, it's still level 10. But I10 is not level 10, it is level 9. So what's wrong with level 9? Was it 11? It's 11. Is it not existing? I mean, let's see here. I is 10. Is it? It's a really weird name here. It's failing at 10. Right. When the player's save file is existing. Thing is, it's also just only happens. How do I save it? Where's the save function? Um, ah, when I start this game now? Wait, restart is not working. Oh, it is working when we are in game. Next level is this one. All right. Can I print this beforehand? I want to know what I've got. Why I can't print something here? I want to print it here then. Why it takes so long to print just this? Shouldn't take that long to print just something. Where's the resource group? Where's the group? Here. Ten is level 11. Right, 10 is level 11. But what's wrong with level 11? Um, this is what I don't understand here. Hello, Wiseham, welcome back. The level's created now automatically, but I just have another problem. This error here's my problem. What is your new problem? Somehow it's not loading the data correctly. It doesn't. I mean, for the first 9 levels, this is working, but for level 10, it's not working anymore. I mean, this error is my problem. We have level data here. So this is fine. Something here is the problem. But actually reloading it from here. When I open the save file, it seems to be alright. 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, and so on. This seems to be alright, but it's not properly saving it. Saving files. Where's save files? Player data. Wait, what is it saving? Test. Alright, okay. So it's fine. For 1 second, I just thought we store. So if we store trash, it should be fine. So let's try. Is it because of this function? Maybe? Right, so check missing levels has an error here. A level in all levels. If level dot level is smaller than 10, if not, level stats dot has Alright, here's the problem. I think now we can keep the check. Start. No, we can't. Is smaller than 10. Start again. Is there a Discord for your gross devlogs? Yes. And devlogs you can see in the past of my YouTube. Oh, wrong link. Discord. That's my Discord. All right, it's working. Well, the camera is also okay from the positioning. I mean, it's been not perfect, but it's okay. And there's one more thing I want to add. I want that you always, when you're in the level creator, that you know in which row you are. So that this one will be highlighted. I'm in. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining. Number 51. All right. We go to level creator. Can I add this? Highlight on the texture act in form of the C of a I have to test it. Plus texture rect 2D. Should add it here. We'll add just some random texture to this one here. And I want to know if I can add new shader material. Highlighter material, highlighter shader. Wait, material. Abstract. Alright, this one, use shader material. Um, quick load, this one. I wonder that's bigger. The sprite. Hmm. Double apply to scenes with the shader on, adding render mode unshaded. Uniform 3. Sadly I can't use it. Mm, well, what's that? Okay, well, I just need a simple outline highlighter. I'm miserably failing at making bow art for anime. There are actually very nice tutorials out there. You add a general. There's a general. The thing is, yeah, when you're in this group, I assume you just see you just see rules and announcements. And that's because in rules you have to like this here to have access to all the other channels. I mean, um, it's actually that what I need. Serial resource on local to scene. Local to scene also. That's not local to scene. How I make it local to scene? Okay, now it's local. So we'll delete these two buttons. And the only thing, hopefully, we need to do is in level creator, when we have script, we have to go to the script. How's it called? Hope it's working. And I want that the normal standard width is 0. We just set the width to 1. We have to go to texture dot material equals let's see. New and base shader. What is shader? Shader material new. Set shader, alright. I'm not sure if I need the first line, to be honest. Um, okay. I think I said it a bit wrong. The shader parameter. Wait, on which? Width with 1. Start again. Let's see. All right. Shouldn't be for every. Um, I need to think. Should just happen for the current line. For picture in this has to be, I'm not sure yet. Update current line. So whenever we press a button, right? Whenever we writing text. Um, Where do I have my input line? Ah, here. Okay, this is fine. Load level button, load level data, save level layout, reset. Connect current level input. Alright. Text changed. This test focus. Alright, this one. So we say um, this one. Um, a texture index in this one. Actually, it's very similar to this one, except actually we want to do the not texture, we want to set material that shader parameter with to 0, 0 or to 0. Here we say 1. For every, we want to set it to 0. And here we want to do oh, this is fine. Argument 1 should be int. Oh, this way then. And here we will say current line text not declared in the current scope. Alright, and I think when we did everything right, it should work. Actually, I don't want that this happen when we change something. I want this happen when we click inside the row. I think rather than focus entered. Yeah, focus entered. The problem is that we don't have text then. But we can got it. We just say level input group get child dot text dot length. So we don't need this one here. We just need current line index, and this we got when we put the focus. So this function we will not call here. This function we will connect here. With this one dot bind, and then we say this one current line index is not true. This is current line index is dot get index, this one. This one. All right. And this connect current level input. when we did everything right. Text on base object of type hbox container input line. Dot get node. Sorry, again. So hopefully it will work. So you always know in which line you are. Which is very helpful. Okay, alright, that's it for today. Thanks to everyone who was watching. Thank you very much. I hopefully see you tomorrow again, right at the same time, like always. If you want to support me and my RPG, you can do it by wishlisting the game already on Steam. This will help me and my game very much, and I will really appreciate it. And I wish you all have a great day, night, evening, or whatever time it is where you are right now, and see you again. Take care, everyone.